محک بھی ہے, محبت بھی ہے.
Then we are doing this program in collaboration with this district Gander. So our
we decided to celebrate this day on 25th. We have seen the concept of biodiversity in United Nations Convention, which came in the year 1992, and India is also structured, and this became the act later on in the year 2002. Biodiversity Act came into force, and then after we have seen how it is implemented in India itself. Purpose of this act, purpose of the act was threefold. One was conserve biodiversity. We see diversity in the life itself, whether it is in plants, animals living on the earth, aquatic animals, microorganisms, and whatnot. But we have seen threats exist to the biodiversity. The threats, the main cause of the threat is the human population itself. We are causing the pollution. We are doing such kind of activities like agriculture. Men, these birds, animals, plants have lost their life, and some of them have become extinct. There is a habitat loss because of the activities of the gender role in conservation of the biodiversity. Though men and women have different responsibility, as we see they have different responsibility in their houses also. Though you should not think that man is here.
So we do modify our crops so that there is maximum productivity, so that they are resistant to disease and resistant to pests. But on the other hand, we also have to understand that this gene bank, where does the wild plants, all our these agriculturally grown crops, they have their roots in wild crops, in wild plants. So when we are identifying our technology, and then I think Sir has also mentioned about neutral cycling. So that's again very important thing. You can't expect a crop to grow. So that is also one of the important.
I think agriculture forestry. As long as we will be able to preserve and conserve biodiversity also, and forests also will have the plenty of food security. So one fundamental link to know or discuss something about biodiversity is
guest from the Secretary of DLSA Gander. So we welcome her also in the के इलाके में अगर कोई पकड़ लेंगे ना किसी को हमें जेल भी देना तो इसलिए हम वेलकम है और डीएफओ उसके साथ ये जो फॉरेस्ट डिवीजन है इसका फॉरेस्ट डिवीजन सिंध नाम है इसका ये पता होना चाहिए आपका स्टूडेंट्स को खासकर जो नए आए हैं वो फॉरेस्ट डिवीजन है इसका डीएफओ ये फॉरेस्ट डिवीजन सिंध है तो वी आल्सो ऑल ऑफ यू टुडे ऑन वी आर कमेमोरेटिंग बायोडायवर्सिटी अब ये बायोडायवर्सिटी